Mark Twain said the two most important days of your life are the day you were born and the day you find out why. Did you know that a lot of people are living their lives in school and out of it in their careers, not knowing what their purpose in life is? Not knowing this at the beginning makes you make wrong decisions based on instant wealth and peer pressure, and not according to who you are, your wiring. What if you knew your purpose and you could love your work and be successful at the same time? Unfortunately, the reality is that most people don't get to play to their strengths at work. In fact, research shows that less than 2 out of 10 people get to play to their strengths. Most people get to 40 or 50 and realize that they've wasted 30 years of doing things that other people said they should do and not what makes them happy. Imagine that. Imagine if everybody lived their life according to how they were made, with their purpose, and everybody operated within their genius. We would actually have no unhappy people at work. We would have fulfilled relationships. We would have less sickness, and the world would be a better place to live. Would you like to be one of those 2 out of 10 people who loves and enjoys their work? Dr. Ross Boucher invites you to come and join him on a journey where you discover your purpose, you discover your passions, and he'll figure out what career, relationships, and future education you need to fulfill your purpose. You're probably thinking right now you don't have time for this. You're probably thinking it's going to cost way too much money. And you're probably thinking it'll eat into all your holiday or spare time. Dr. Ross knows what you're thinking. It's hard. It's too difficult. I'm not good enough. I don't have a purpose. He bets that's where you're at. He bets that you're looking at other people and thinking, I can't do this. You can. Actually, it's not that expensive. In fact, he even has a payment plan. And you're probably thinking it's too much time, but actually it's less than 1 day of school. And those 6 hours could change the rest of your life. You will get a glimpse of your future career. For your parents, Dr. Ross has an online feedback session where he'll discuss your purpose, your possible careers that match your unique wiring, and a personal development plan. So what now? Well, remember a few moments ago, he asked if you are one of the 2 out of 10 people? Because this is not for everybody. Only a select few will actually take up this invitation. Purpose is not for everyone. It's for those who want to make a difference. People who want to lead, make money, and be happy. Dr. Ross has a Dare to Be You workshop, but it can only take 12 people at a time. If you can't make this month, he's happy to put you on a waiting list and you'll be considered for future workshops. He also has individual career and subject choice coaching, but he doesn't want you to come on those until you've done this workshop. What you have to do right now is go to drrossonpurpose.co.za and sign up. Dare to be you.